Hello,
Hello, good evening, sir.
very good evening, Manashuniti. Uh, Welcome to Filo.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
Very good. In which question you have got, Manas?
Sir, third part to find the area of the triangle ABC.
1 minute. For this, I have to ask the question. Firstly, four-person John, Saurabh, Salim, and Ratan are sitting in a courtyard at point A, B, C, and D, respectively, as shown in figure. The courtyard has been divided into small squares by drawing equality spaced horizontally and vertical lines, taking OX and OY as the coordinate axis. Answer the following questions. So, हमें 1 minute. What are the coordinates of A? Minute. Find the area of triangle ABC. Where is A, B, C? Okay. Uh, You have already find the distance AC and BD?
Yes, sir.
1 minute. A, B, C, D. Here is A, 1 minute. Here is A, here is B, C, D. Okay? 1 minute.
जा अपना काम कर मैं इनको पढ़ा रहा हूँ
1 minute. A, B, C, D. Okay. A, B, C, D. A, B,